Welcome to the instructions video for the Biot number interactive calculator. This tool helps you determine whether lumped capacitance analysis is valid for your heat transfer problems by calculating the Biot number, a crucial dimensionless quantity in thermal engineering. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter three key values. First, input the convective heat transfer coefficient in watts per meter squared Kelvin. For our example, let's enter 50. Next, enter the characteristic length in meters, which is typically the volume divided by surface area. We'll use 0.01 meters. Finally, input the thermal conductivity of your solid material in watts per meter Kelvin. Let's enter 200 for aluminum. After entering these values, click the Calculate button. The calculator will display the Biot number result. If it's less than 0.1, lumped capacitance analysis is valid for your application, meaning you can assume uniform temperature throughout the solid. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.